The tech world is in constant motion. New technologies emerge at a dizzying pace. Software engineers, especially in service companies, often find themselves switching projects and adapting to new tools. It's easy to feel like you're always playing catch-up. But don't despair. This rapid evolution also presents an opportunity. By embracing lifelong learning, you can stay ahead of the curve. Focus on building a strong foundation in core programming concepts. This will equip you to adapt to any new language or framework. Remember, technology is just a tool. Your ability to learn and apply new tools is what truly matters. Don't be afraid to experiment and expand your skill set. The more adaptable you are, the more valuable you become. Embrace the challenge of continuous learning. In the tech world, it's the key to staying relevant and unlocking exciting opportunities. In the ever-changing tech maze, it's easy to feel lost. You might chase after the latest trends or the highest-paying jobs. However, true fulfillment comes from working on projects that ignite your passion. When you're passionate about your work, you naturally become more invested. You're eager to learn, to push boundaries, and to go the extra mile. This intrinsic motivation is what separates good engineers from great ones. So, how do you find your passion? Explore different areas within software engineering. Experiment with various technologies and projects. Don't be afraid to try new things and discover what truly excites you. Remember, your career is a marathon, not a sprint. Choose a path that aligns with your interests and values. This will fuel your motivation and lead to long-term success and fulfillment. In the fast-paced tech industry, what truly matters is your current skill set and your ability to deliver results. Don't be intimidated by more experienced colleagues or feel held back by your age. The tech world values continuous learning and adaptability. What you knew yesterday might be outdated tomorrow. So, focus on constantly upgrading your skills and staying ahead of the curve. Attend workshops, take online courses, and participate in hackathons. Embrace a growth mindset and view every challenge as an opportunity to learn and improve. Remember, your value lies in your ability to solve problems and create innovative solutions. Your eagerness to learn and adapt will speak volumes about your potential. Focus on building a strong skill set and showcasing your ability to deliver tangible results. Your passion and dedication will be your greatest assets in the tech industry. As a budding software engineer, it's crucial to stand out from the crowd. While a well-crafted resume is essential, a compelling project portfolio can be your secret weapon. Platforms like GitHub and various cloud platforms offer you the perfect stage to showcase your skills and creativity. Develop personal projects that demonstrate your understanding of different technologies and your problem-solving abilities. Contribute to open-source projects to demonstrate your collaborative spirit and your ability to work within a team. These contributions serve as tangible proof of your capabilities, far more impactful than simply listing skills on a resume. Remember, your portfolio is a living testament to your abilities. Regularly update it with your latest projects and contributions. In a competitive job market, a well-curated portfolio can be your ticket to landing exciting opportunities and launching a successful career in software engineering.